Hi everyone, today we're gonna teach you how to rhyme, write, and both of us are gonna teach you, but I'm teaching Chloe. Chloe, do you know what's rhyming? Yes. What is it? Is you like, there has to be two words that are similar, that have the same letter ending. Rhyming is two words that end with similar sound. I will give you some words and you try to make them rhyme. Okay! But after, I'm going to give you some words and you have to rhyme them. It's a deal. The first word is, what does mat rhyme with? Mat. Cat. Good job, Chloe. What does mellow rhyme with? Mellow? Fellow. Yes, Chloe. What does house rhyme with? House. 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 Chloe, I'm gonna say it, but it's not gonna be any sound. Mouse. Yes. Yay! I know. Hard one for you. Plant. Plant rhymes with hand. Good job. So. Can I give you one more answer? Two more. It's two more. Kangaroo rhymes with kangaroo. Can't make a word. Try again. Kangaroo rhymes with Pikachu. Kangaroo rhymes with. It has to end with roo. Pikachu. They're pretty good, but I'll give you your here. You're about to go here, and give you a last word, but difficult. Playground. Playground rhymes with hayground? Oh, that's actually a word. Hayground. Give me one more for it to be a little better. Okay? Playground. Round. Rhyme. Good job. Chloe, why do we need a rhyme? What are rhymes good for? Rhyming is used in poetry and songs. Yeah, it helps us remember the word, and it sounds beautiful. I have a poem to share with you, and it's written by my friend named Rayon. K to the Y to the O-A-N. Young superstar, you were born to ascend. K to the Y to the L-A-N. Young Black Panther, where your weapon is your pen. K to the Y to the L-A-N. Keep spreading light, singing rhymes to the end of time, my friend. Peace and blessings. That was awesome. Thank you, Chloe. This is how we rhyme. Thank you for watching.